Iṣẹ́ Olúwa Awamaridi.
The mysteries of God.
Bí àpẹẹrẹ,
For example,
ọmọ olówó tí wàá fi owó tọ́
a child born with a silver spoon
kò ní lo owó dáadáa, abalẹ̀ owó jẹ́, abalẹ̀ ọlá jẹ́.
will not spend wisely.
Ọmọ tálíkà tí ò ní nǹkan kan, tí ò lẹ́bí, tí ò lára, á dẹ̀ ṣoríire.
But a child born out of penury will succeed.
Ẹni tó ka PhD, tó ka gbogbo ìwé ayé àti ọ̀run,
An educated person like a man who has a PhD
kò ní gun òkè.
will not go up the ladder.
Ẹni tó ka primary 6
But a primary 6 school holder
á dẹ̀ wà lókè,
will be up the ladder
á dẹ̀ máa ṣe sàṣàṣà fún.
and he will respect the person.
Arọ tí ò ní ẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì
A lame person
a máa kójọ, ayé a máa tẹríba fún, wọ́n máa dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún. Ìwọ tó ní ẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì wàá dẹ̀ wú rẹ, o dẹ̀ ní tó arọ yẹn.
A disabled man could be so much successful and the whole world worships him. But you who are complete in all parts of your body will lack so much.
Àwọn kan sunkún lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí,
Some people are weeping right now
àwọn kan rẹ́rìn-ín,
and others are laughing.
àwọn kan dá láre,
Some are being profited
àwọn kan dá lẹ́bi.
and some are being blamed.
Ọlọ́run ni o.
It is God.
Ọ̀nà tí wọ́n gbà kọjá
The same route you took
ní ẹlòmíì gbà kọjá tó ṣubú níbẹ̀.
is the same place someone else took and stumbled.
Awamaridi, ọba ìyanu.
The mysteries of the divine God.
Wàá rí arọ,
You see a disabled person
ó ní ọkọ.
that has a husband,
Ìwọ tó ń ṣarọ,
but you who is not disabled
tó fine dáadáa,
and is pretty
tó tún ní ìwà
and has good character
tá lè fi ṣàpèjúwe obìnrin rere,
that can be used as an example of a virtuous woman
ò ní lọ́kọ.
will not have a husband.
Ẹni tó fọ́ ojú,
A blind person
Ọlọ́run á jogún ọgbọ́n ńlá fún.
will be given the gift of wisdom,
Ẹni tí ò lójú
but a man who has a sight
kò ní sí òye kankan lórí rẹ̀.
would be foolish.
Awamaridi ni o.
It is the mystery.
Awamaridi ni o.
It is a mystery.
Níbi tí ilé ti ń wọ́ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí táwọn èèyàn ń dààmú,
Where houses are collapsing and people are running helter-skelter,
ibẹ̀ lómi ti wọlé àwọn ènìyàn kan.
and others have their houses flooded.
O ti ríṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run rí, omi wọ yàrá kan,
God.
ó kù díẹ̀ kú dé yàrá kejì, omi yẹn dúró,
There
kò
was
dẹ̀ wọ yàrá
flood
kejì,
in the room and it did not go to the
tó
next
dẹ̀
room.
kan ẹ̀gbẹ́ kẹ̀gbẹ́ kẹ̀gbẹ́ fẹ̀gbẹ́ kẹ̀gbẹ́
And
kan
the
ara wọn
rooms
báyìí.
are just next to each other.
Awamaridi ni ṣe Olúwa.
The works of God is
Ẹlòmíì á bímọ, ó lè bí ọmọ mẹ́wàá.
Some people will have so many children,
Lèyàn ká máa sunkún ọmọ kan ṣoṣo.
and others may be crying for just one child.
Lábẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
She would keep asking and beseeching
Á ní
God,
ọlá, á ní ọrọ̀, á ní dúkìá.
and she might be very wealthy,
Ṣùgbọ́n a kò ní fún lọ́mọ náà.
but she won't have a child.
Awamaridi ni iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ọba Ẹlẹ́dùmarè o.
The works of God are mysteries.
Ibi tó ti ń ju bọ́ǹbù lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà.
Where we have bombings in the country Nigeria,
Ọlọ́run ò jẹ́ kán ju bọ́ǹbù délé tirẹ̀. Olùkọ́ Awamaridi ni.
have bomb explosions in your house.
Ibi tó ti lọ kó odidi ọmọ ní school.
Lots of children were kidnapped.
Àwọn ọmọ kan wà ń bẹ̀ wọn ò rí wọn kó náà.
But there are some children who were not
Ṣé
kidnapped.
Awamaridi kọ́ ni?
Isn't he a mystery?
Mọ́tò tí ó wọ̀ tó ti bọ́lẹ̀ ní ìṣẹ́jú kan.
The vehicle you boarded and alighted
Wọ́n á dẹ̀
and
ló rìn síwájú. Gbogbo àwọn tó dẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ kú.
moved a few meters away from you, and the people in the bus actually died.
Awamaridi iṣẹ́
Mysteries
Olúwa.
are the works of God.
Òun jí láago méjì.
You wake up at 2,
Aago mẹ́rin o ti mú mọ́tò.
and at 4 a.m. you
Èèyàn kan dẹ̀ ń
back
jí
on
láago
the journey.
méjìlá.
Some people wake up at 12 noon.
Ibi tí wọ́n ń sáré lọ yẹn lòun náà ń bọ̀ o.
Where you're running to, it's also going the same way,
Á ti ṣoríire jù ẹ́ lọ.
and it succeeds more than you do.
Kí la fẹ́ sọ sí?
What do we say about this
Iṣẹ́
thing?
Olúwa Awamaridi ni.
The works of God are mysteries.
Wàá rí èèyàn tó tóbi gbàǹgbà.
You see a very big person.
Ó máa fẹ́ ìyàwó.
you will have a wife.
wàá rí èèyàn tínrín
And you see a slim person,
kò ní wu ènìyàn.
and you would not.
Wo tí Olúwa ló ń ṣọlá.
ẹ ṣe kí la fẹ́ sọ nípa ẹ̀.
What do we say about this?
iṣẹ́ Olúwa Awamaridi.
The works of God.
wàá rí ọkùnrin míì tó ní ìwà tó lè tọ́jú obìnrin.
You see a man with good character and can take
kò
good
dẹ̀ ní
care of
kò ní
women,
wá ní lórí obìnrin.
and you won't be lucky to
kò
have
ní
a
róbìnrin
wife.
gidi jókòó tì í.
You won't have a good wife.
àwọn obìnrin kan wà oníjàngbọ̀n ni wọ́n wá jà wọ́n pariwo wọ́n máa pariwo mọ́kọ́ wọn ní respect ọkọ wọn. ọkùnrin yìí nílé kúrò lé.
Some women are troublesome.
wọ́n wá rí obìnrin míì tó jẹ́ kó níwà pẹ̀lẹ́ obìnrin rere kò wá ní lọ́kọ.
The troublesome women do get good husbands.
Kí la fẹ́
and
sọ nípa-
sometimes the non-troublesome women are not so lucky.
Awamaridi ni iṣẹ́ Olúwa.
The works of God are mysteries.
ọba tó ń múrí jáde níbi àìrí.
The God who brings out of nothing.
ọba torí nǹkan ṣe nǹkan.
The God who does things because of a purpose.
ọba ṣèyí tó wù ú.
The God who does as
Yes.
he pleases.
ọmọdébìnrin kan ó ṣopó lẹ́ẹ̀mẹrin opó lẹ́ẹ̀mẹrin
A young lady was widowed 4 times,
ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ọkùnrin tó fẹ́ pátápátá ọlọ́lá ni wọ́n.
but all the men she married were wealthy men.
làwọn kan dẹ̀ fẹ́ ọkọ tó ń ṣopó lórí ẹ̀.
And some women married just once and they never
wọ́n
got
dàgbà ṣùgbọ́n ilé ní ẹ̀mẹrin ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ló ṣopó.
They got married and they stayed long, but she
kí la
lost
fẹ́
her
sọ
husband.
kí la fẹ́ sọ
at a time.
nípa iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
What do we say about the works of God?
níbi tí òòrùn ti ń ràn nísìnyí
Where the sun is shining at the moment,
òjò lè máa rọ̀ ní géètì yẹn o.
there might be rainfall at the gates.
ó lè máa bọ̀ láti Òṣòdì
You might be coming from Oshodi.
kò dé kò kọ̀ kúrò ní kò dé Charity kò má rí ipa òjò kankan
And you get to Charity bus stop.
kò dẹ̀
without
dé
seeing
Ìlàsà
traces of
kójú
rain.
ọ̀run kó ṣókùnkùn.
And at Ilasa, there might
òjò
be
dẹ̀ ní rọ̀ ń bẹ̀
rain.
wà wá dé Mile 2 wà á rí
And
pé
you
òjò
get to
rọ̀.
the next bus stop, you see downpour of rain.
kí la ti ń ṣe kí la ti fẹ́ sọ sí.
What do we say about this?
kùkùté ìràrá a máa
dog
jẹ́ ènìyàn àwọn èèyàn ńlá la máa tẹ̀lé òràrá
will be so great and
Ìwọ tó
someone
ga,
bows to him.
tó láǹkì tó ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ò ní rí èèyàn tiẹ̀ wípé ọkùnrin ni ẹ́
And
èèyàn
the hefty man has no one
àwọn
to
èèyàn máa
talk about
obìnrin
him.
obìnrin òràrá ní ọ̀yàwó òràrá ẹ mọ̀ òràrá ẹ mọ̀ kọ́tọ́ mọ̀ yín akẹ́ àpọ̀pọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ wọ́n
Kùkùté.
àbí báwo yẹn lè ṣàlàyé ẹ̀
Yes, Aki and Popo.
obìnrin gidi dẹ̀ ń lé wọn.
And they are lucky to have good women run after them.
ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ tí o ga tó tó ọkùnrin tó ní fìrìgbọ̀n
Who is good enough to be called a man?
ò wá ní rí obìnrin.
Have no woman around you.
Awamaridi ni iṣẹ́ Olúwa
The works of God are mysteries.
Awamaridi ni
It is a mystery.
ibi tó ti ní àǹfààní
Where you have opportunities
tó o mọ̀ pé o ní àǹfààní
and you do not know you have those
àǹfààní tí
opportunities.
wọ́n rí yẹn
The opportunity
tó o
you
mọ
have
rírì ẹ̀
and you did not
lèèyàn kan ń
understand.
bẹ Ọlọ́run kó ṣe àǹfààní yẹn
Some
fún
people
wọn.
are begging God for such opportunities.
ẹlòmíà wú ẹ báyìí á dẹ̀ ní kò dẹ̀ fi ọlá yín tọrọ mà
Some people look at you and plead for your kind of
báyìí bá
wealth.
wo ni tán wọn ni wọn fọlá ènìyàn tọrọ.
The world look at you and they plead to God for what you have.
Awamaridi ni iṣẹ́ Olúwa
It is the mystery of God.
Awamaridi
The mystery
ní
of
iṣẹ́
God.
ọba òkè ọba tó ń sọ alágbára di ọ̀lẹ
The God who turns the mighty man into a weakling
á wá sọ ọ̀lẹ di alágbára
and turns a weakling into a mighty man.
ọba níwájú ọba ní ẹ̀yìn
The God in front and at the back.
ọba tí kì í fail
The God who never fails.
tí kì í tọ́ni jẹ.
Who does not deceive.
Awamaridi ní iṣẹ́ Olúwa o
The works of God are mysteries.
Ọlọ́run ní kó máa lọ síbi kan sìn
God might tell you to go to a
kó máa
certain
mọ ibi
place
tó ń lọ
and you would not know the destination.
ọba afinimọ̀nà
He's a God who directs.
ọba aṣàánú fún ẹni
He shows mercy.
kì í purọ́
He does not tell lies.
kì í purọ́
He doesn't tell lies.
Ọlọ́run ò ṣe nǹkan pé ó kù díẹ̀ àfi nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe nìkan.
He is a God of perfection.
ẹlòmíà wà ní kíláàsì akọ̀wé agbèfọ́nrẹ́ ẹ̀ kó kọ the same thing ẹni tó kọ̀wé yẹn á pass jẹ́ ẹni tó kọ̀ nǹkan lọ.
Some people are in class and they give to their friends to copy, but the one who copied passes more than the one who taught him.
ìwọ o lè rìn bẹ̀ yẹn kó bú èèyàn kẹ́ni ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ pé ìgbà tí ìwọ bá rìn bẹ̀ tó o bú ẹni yẹn o ẹni yẹn wá ní pé ìwọ ló sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ọba tó máa jẹ́ pé wọ́n á mú aláìṣẹ̀ wọ́n lòun ló ṣẹ̀ ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ wọ́n á filẹ̀ Ọlọ́run náà ni.
A God who does things beyond human comprehension.
bó ṣe wù ló ṣe ń ṣe tiẹ̀.
He does as it pleases.
Ọba tó ń bẹ lẹ́yìn alábòsí.
The God who is behind the deceitful man.
Ọba àbòsí tún lọ́lọ́run fúnra rẹ̀.
He is the God of deceit himself.
Ọba àṣírí.
He is a God of secrets.
Ọba tó tún tú àṣírí jáde tún ni.
And is a God of exposure.
Ọba tó mọ̀.
The
Tó
God who
tún mọ̀.
knows
Tó tún mọ̀ jù wá.
and knows more than man.
Iṣẹ́ àwọn Awamaridi ni iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ ju ti ènìyàn lọ.
The works of God are beyond the human.
Ayé lè dọ́gbọ́n sí i.
The world might try to apply wisdom.
Ọba tí kì í dọ́gbọ́n sí ti tiẹ̀.
But it's a God that does not try to hide things from man.
Awamaridi ni o.
It is mystery.
Ọba tá ní possible